Let's start with our prep. Grate about 2 cubes of cheese. Mince the garlic. Finely dice the onions. Chop the beans into small dice. Dice the carrots. Thinly slice the potatoes and dice the cauliflower. The written recipe with exact ingredients is available in the description below and at the end of the video. Take about 2 cups of water in a pan and bring to a boil. To the boiling water, add in the diced carrots and beans. Blanch the beans and carrots for about 30 seconds on high flame and strain. Return the water to the pan and bring back to a boil. Add in the diced cauliflower and boil for about a minute on high flame and strain. Grease a small baking pan of about 4 inches dia with butter and preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius. In a frying pan, take 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is hot, add in the minced garlic and diced onion. Saute till the onion sweats. Add in 1 tablespoon of flour and mix, ensuring no lumps form. Cooking for about 10 seconds. Add in about 3/4 cup of milk. Mix well, ensuring no lumps form. Bring to a boil and add in 1/4 teaspoon of thyme and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Season with salt and pepper. Add in the boiled vegetables, reserving the unboiled potatoes for later. Cook and check for consistency. Add more milk if required. Add in 1 tablespoon of cheese and mix. For the assembly, layer the potato slices in the bottom of the pan in a single layer. Top with the vegetable and sauce mix. Spread the remaining grated cheese on top of the vegetables. Season with salt and pepper. Bake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes, covering the top with aluminium foil midway through if the baked gets too brown. Let rest for about 10 minutes before serving so that the baked sets. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this recipe and how it was. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. For more such recipes, subscribe to the channel.